Hi there. I'm going to show you with a very simple cookbook approach how to create a basic map using the ESRI web API. Once you've obtained the zip file I've prepared for you, just unpack it in the current directory. You can use WinZip, or I'm using 7-zip here. Doesn't matter what. It's already wrapped in a folder, so just go ahead and extract it to the current directory. Once you've obtained that directory, just open it up and open up all three files in a text editor. I'm using Notepad++ here, but you can use anything you want. So I have the basic HTML file, an associated JavaScript file, and I also have a little snippet of JavaScript that you'll want to put in a marklet in your web browser. So the first thing you want to do is just grab that text and copy it, and now go to your web browser. I'm using Firefox here, and go ahead and create a bookmark. So we'll create a new bookmark. We'll call this the extent marklet, E-X-T-E-N-T, and marklet. Whoops. Now, instead of putting a URL, we will just paste that bit of JavaScript we collected. And there it is, and we're good to go. So the next thing we're going to do is take this HTML file and open it up in the web browser. Now you shouldn't need a local server to do this, so we're going to launch it in Firefox, and it will come up with a world map. Now at this point, just use the zoom and drag controls to find the view that you want to see when this web page comes up. I live near Chicago, so I'm going to zoom into Chicago a bit and just keep zooming and dragging. And the precise view doesn't matter. This is just a demonstration. So this is close enough to what I want. Now what we do is just click on the extent marklet we prepared, and that gives us the coordinates we'll need to apply. This is in a form that JavaScript understands. So we're going to again select this whole thing and copy it. And now let's go back to our text editor and look at the JavaScript. And here is and what we want to do is replace these coordinates right here. So I'm going to select this whole thing and then paste. And then save this. And let's go back to the browser. Actually, let's close this and go back to the text editor, and let's relaunch this web page. And this time the adjusted JavaScript we plugged in has taken us directly to the view that we selected. As I said, this is just a cookbook approach. There's a long way to go from here, but this will get you off the ground. Hope you enjoyed this.